In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins in UK. Now, the first thing you'll need is an account with Axiom. Now, Axiom is a platform which basically you will need to trade meme coins. And in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a PNL tracker. They also have an amazing reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals. You can use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can set presets down here and adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use their amazing filters to filter out meme coins, etc. Now, as I said, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So, to actually trade meme coins on Axiom, here's what you have to do. You can go to Discover tab, where you can see the trending, surging, and DEX screener coins. Or, of course, the main trading is going to be happening over here on Pulse, where you can see your new pairs, your final stretches, and then your migrated coins. Now, you can just look at this like at the default loadout, so it's going to show you every single coin on here. However, if you want to be a bit more picky, you can just click over here on these filters, and then you'll be able to apply some filters on new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. Now, I have many tutorials on this on my channel, and there's a lot of different tutorials on YouTube as well on how to do this, so make sure you check those out as well. You can, of course, just Google it, type it to YouTube, and they're going to show you a bunch of these tutorials, and you can just use the filters you want, okay? So, of course, you are free to use them however you want, or you just don't have to use them at all. It's up to you. Now, over here, once you find a coin you would actually like to buy, and by the way, with this, you must be very, very careful because pretty much all of these coins are just scams and you are going to lose your Solana, you're going to lose money, so make sure you actually know what you're doing before you start trading for real. But then, let's say you actually find one of the coins. For example, I'm going to go this one over here. Let's say this was a coin you wanted to buy. I'm not saying you should, it's a random coin. So again, be careful, make sure you do your own research. Now, once you come over here, to actually start trading, first you'll need some Solana on your account. The way you can do this is by clicking deposit up top. You can just deposit your Solana from any other wallet onto this address over here. So it's going to be your own address, not this one's mine, but you're going to see your own address. You can also convert it from USDC in case you're holding any USDC, or you can just buy it directly via Coinbase. They are powered by Coinbase. I think you can purchase upwards to like 500 USD worth of Solana a day on here with no hassle, very easily. So yeah, in case you want it, you can do that as well. Now, once you've topped up your wallet and you have some Solana on your wallet, you can then start trading. You can come to the Buy tab here on the right. You can then select either the market buy, which is going to buy at the current price. So for example, I want to buy one, and that's going to buy it at the current price. You can select a limit order for the specific price, or some advanced features over here, which of course you can play with if you want to. Once you've bought something, or once you've bought a coin essentially, you can then of course sell it whenever you want, and therefore basically execute a trade. So you can go to the sell button over here, and then you want to just go to market, limit, or advanced again, type in however much you'd like to sell, and then click on sell, and you will successfully sell the coin, and therefore you successfully basically completed a trade. Now, this is just the basics on how to actually trade, how this loadout works, but if you want a full tutorial on Axiom, I actually have multiple on my channel, so you can pretty much find any question you may have about the Axiom platform. On my channel, I have all tutorials. Just look it up, and then you will find it there, and then we'll go more in depth. I just wanted to show you with this tutorial how to actually start trading and how to get going with Axiom, and how to just start trading meme coins for yourself. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.